Biyahe kasama si DJ Lala, aarangkada na.
This one ay mula sa lalaking itatago na lang natin sa pangalang Jessie. Sabi niya, Madam, hihingi ako ng advice. Sana okay lang. Siyempre okay lang. Ano ba ang dapat kong piliin? Ang lugar na naging parte na ng buhay ko, mahigit 1 dekada na nagbibigay sa akin ng mga bagay na wala ako sa Pilipinas, pero madalas mag-isa. Madalas palaging may issue sa working life, kinaiinis ng iba kahit wala naman akong ginagawang particularly wrong sa trabaho. Yung tipong sinusuppress ka sa mga bagay na dapat nakukuha mo. Yung feeling na hindi ka makagalaw dahil pinipigilan nila ang mga bagay na pwede mong magawa. Yung gusto nila na hindi ka mag-process ng mga plano mo sa buhay na tipong mas stuck ka kung anong kalagayan ang meron ka ngayon. Or, yung bansa kung saan ka pinanganak. Pero mag-iiba ang takbo ng buhay mo, like back to zero. Pero makakasama mo ulit yung mga magulang mo, kaso hindi na kagaya ng dati. Yung tipong sisimulan mo ulit yung finale ng buhay mo. Ano ba ang mahalaga sa buhay natin? Ang perang kikitain or maging masaya sa buhay na pinagkaloob sa atin? Saan ba ako lulugar? Sa bansang may taong matagal na akong binitawan at hindi kailangan? Or sa bansa kung saan nandun yung mga taong nagpapalaki sa akin na ngayon ay mahina na? Ito yung mga ilan sa mga tanong na gumugulo sa isip ko. Hindi ako makapagdesisyon dahil may isa akong anak na maaapektuhan. Ano ba ang dapat kong gawin? My love, one thing is for sure. If you will ask me blank straight kung alin ang pipiliin mo, kung ang isaalang-alang ko ay happiness mo, no questions asked. It's a no-brainer. I'll choose kung nasaan yung mga taong mahal ko. Magulang ko, anak ko, pipiliin ko yun. Kasi alam kong wala akong pagsisisihan kapag pinili ko yun. I don't want to have all the riches this world can ever offer. But along with it is a big regret na sana kasama ko pa sila. Na sana sumama ako sa kanila or sana sinamahan ko sila. Ayoko ng regret sa buhay mo. But there is a bridge between the two. Ano two? Number 2. Ano ba? Expired ko na. Merong bridge sa 2 things that you want. That is to save. As simple as it may sound, I know it's hard. Pero that's the logical thing to do. Sa ganitong situation, that's the most logical solution that you can ever have for a problem like this. There's a job, a career that's giving you all the financial needs na kailangan mo para supplyan yung lifestyle na meron ka at yung pangangailangan ng pamilya mo. You know naman within your heart na, my love, it's a big factor of form of living. O diba? Sorry. Oh my God, hindi ko siya madiretso. Sorry na naglo-load kasi yung utak ko as I talk. Grabe, expired na. Well, anyway, as I was saying, ipupush ko to. Wait lang, bear with me. Bear with me. Sabi ni Boy Pindot, kaya pa, kami na lang. Bear with me, kaya ko to, may tatawid ko to. My love, kasi alam naman natin, sa totoo lang, sa totoong sabi lang or sa totoong usapan lang, in order for you to have the comfortable lifestyle that you want in life, to supply the things you need and even the things you want. And that is something na kayang ibigay sa'yo ng current place kung nasan ka. Which is your job, which is your career, and I'm figuring and assuming it's not here in the Philippines, nasa overseas ka. So, pangalawa, of course, you want to experience yung fruit of your labor with the people na naging dahilan why you are working that hard. And it's gonna be useless, lahat ng naipon mo, lahat ng perang meron ka, if hindi ka makakapag-build ng memories of enjoying the fruit of your labor or yung pinagtrabahuhan mo with the people who actually matters to you. Kasi it's not enough that you give them a comfortable life. Kailangan andun ka din You have to be present sa buhay nila para meron kang bucket full of memories na pwede mong hugutin from time to time para whenever you feel challenged, sad sa ibang bansa, there will be a constant reminder na this is the reason why I am working this hard. For memories like this, for times like this, ito yung dahilan kung bakit ako nagpapakandakuba. Nagkakandakuba-kuba yon. Nagkakandakuba-kuba kakatrabaho is because I want to spend time like this with them. So back to the solution that we have, the logical one is to save. If you want to be with them as soon as you can, you have to save. Alam ko you are doing everything you can right now to somehow save a little from your earning para meron kang kumbaga kung tawagin natin, emergency fund. Pero, paghusayan mo pa, i-build mo pa yung emergency fund na yun so you can actually go home. Create a business here if you want. Mag-venture ka sa business. Try to open up something that you are, sabihin na natin, knowledgeable of and you are fond of. A business na kaya mong i-handle dito sa Pilipinas, or you can start na magbigay ng resume mo sa mga companies na alam mong medyo malaki magpabayad dito sa Pilipinas, but with the same line ng trabaho mo dyan sa ibang bansa. It may not be that big, but with the emergency fund that you have as a help sa'yo para i-sustain mo na yung current lifestyle ninyo hanggang sa mag-adjust kayo sa panibagong budget, panibagong type of lifestyle na aakma sa sinasahod mo. My love, I think that is workable. Diba? Magiging workable yun for you. This time around, you don't have to choose. You don't have to give one in order to experience or have fun with the other. You can keep both of that, but you just have to be smart. Sabi nga nila, my love, ngayon sa panahon daw na to, hindi na daw uso yung work hard. Kailangan you have to work smart so you can play harder in life. I know it's easier said than done. I understand na mas madali itong sabihin kesa gawin. Pero we all have to do something that is so hard for us in order to live, to earn money, to earn a living. But we do it because there's a special reason behind it all. And instead of just using them as an inspiration, you have to give yourself a bucket full of joy as well inside. Na pwede mong sabihin na it's days like this why I work so hard, enjoying this moment with them, seeing them in flesh as I give them all the things that I can offer, the best things I can give them dahil sa pagtatrabaho ginagawa ko sa ibang bansa, dahil sa mga oras na tinikis ko yung lungkot, tiniis ko yung gutom, tiniis ko yung pagod, tiniis ko yung politika sa trabaho. It's moment like this that I understand na the reason why I can endure all that is because I have these moments with me. Naintindihan mo ko, my love? You don't have to choose. You just have to prepare yourself. You just have to give yourself some time hanggang maging ready ka para puhunanan yung bago mong buhay dito sa Pilipinas. use the opportunity that you have now to have a better life here. It's not easy, but it's also not impossible. Klaro? Klaro. Sa ating letter sender na si Jessie, quote-unquote, maraming salamat for sending in your story. At ikaw, kabisyo, kung meron kang sarili mong storya that you wanna share with me, next time matutulog ako. Sabi ni Boy Pindot, ayun, naitawid. Next time matutulog na ako, pangako. Para hindi tayo sa bawal. Anyway, you can send it over my Facebook page, DJ Lala Banderas.